Hello guys, Thunderflash32 here, back with another video. Today we're playing some Bee Swarm, and we're gonna play. Since you guys really liked the last episode, I'm gonna get you guys another video out. So thank you guys. Oh, and it finally came up, guys. So what we've been trying to do is quest. We've been trying to do quest and make a lot of honey. So let's do that. We got something. So now so what's our new quest? 500 pollen. I can hold 700. Let's go grind blue. Which one are we again? Aren't we like red or something? Yeah, we're red. So if you guys don't hear the volume as much as I do, it's because, well, actually, yeah, if it's, here, I'm gonna take my mic away from my, mouth, here. Next video, mic will be fixed. Don't worry, guys. I promise it will be fixed. So, sorry for calling the BHIGH last video. I feel like that was kind of funny. So, this time, I hope this beat isn't high. Okay, let's just hope it isn't high. Oh, Mining Sim Roleplay coming soon. Part 3 coming soon. But not on my channel. It will be coming on someone else's channel. And if you go to the last roleplay, the link to their channel will be in the description. Link in the Discord. In the description, into that Discord server. This time the beat isn't high because my internet actually wants to be fast for once. But I just remember that one time of me playing Bee Swarm when I was just a noob, right? And I just didn't know how to play. I can remember that time. Oh, there are 3 colors of flowers on the mountain: red, white, and blue. If a bee is red, it collects twice as much pollen from red flowers. And if a bee is blue, it collects twice as much from blue flowers. Working in fields that much. The color of your bees help collect pollen faster. For my next quest, I want you to collect 600 pollen from red flowers. Well, easy, because we have a rad bee. Okay. Let's go to Mother Bear. I haven't done Mother Bear yet. Guys, soon I will be getting Robux on this account, and we're gonna buy the official Bear Bee. See, Bear Bee right here. We'll buy a Bear Bee. But guys, also join my group right now. Buy the Thunder merch. Link in the description. If we could probably get it faster if you all support me and go buy the shirt down in the description. Just go down into the description, be like, hey, are you the group? And then smash it. It's like it, I don't know. Just smash whatever. So, let's go get our red pollen. Guys, bees, come on. Don't be lazies. Oh. Mime. More like pine. More like pine what? Pine tree. Bad rhyme. Take that, people. Take that, I dare you. Take that all. I just rhymed. Making a mime. Oh! And then I just rhymed again. By a dime. Rad bee, more like bad bee. I don't know how, but I'm just getting a bunch of roast. Well, not roast, I mean rhyme. today. I don't know how I'm thinking of them. It's just awkward. I'm just thinking, and then it just pops up in my head. Literally, I'm just like, and it pops up. Literally, go in the description and buy my Thunder merch in my group. It's freaking sick. I don't know. Oh, and if you didn't see in the last video, if we go down here, you'll see if you look on the 31st, we seen the 31st person on the leaderboard. He had 4 billion honey and almost like the max hive you can get. Not all the way up there, but far. So we're gonna go. The only reason last time I played, when I was a noob, the only reason I was good was because of the gummy bear. He would launch goo and I would go get the goo. So yeah. Oh, and if you're wondering why Radby leveled up. If you're wondering why I forgot what I was gonna say, but why I have friends is because I knew those friends way before recording on this account, so I just added them. Like, why not? I knew them way before knowing anybody, before really recording. Besides Sup Mash Bro, he actually, I met him why I was a YouTuber. What I did to be his friend was my friend Jazz. He met him, right? And he just wanted us to be friends with him, right? And since he wanted us to be friends, I'm like, no, I'm not friends. And then we had a argument, and then Jack said, just give him a chance. And I said, fine. And then I gave him a chance, and then I turned up to be his friend. At least. Bees. Why? Freaking internet. I'm gonna slice my computer. Oh, yay. Wait, what? Nice job. Here's a reward. Oh. 1,000 blue pollen. What? I forgot what you said. What did you say? Clock one day. I heard you the first time. Stop screaming. I heard you the first time. If you're lucky enough, you could get a basic bee for your starter. A gifted basic bee, I mean. Okay, that is actually good honey. I have a lot of honey for this now. So, this video, I don't know how long it's been going on. So, let's see. We go here. We already have this. I take back. Ooh. Why? Die. Ow, it actually hurts so bad. Get away from me. Get away from me. Oh, you guys want to see something cool? Ah! Horrifying! He's gonna kill me! Ah! Actually, he did a lot of damage. If we get 2 likes on this video, guys, I will be giving everyone. Well, no, I won't be. I will be playing some more Mining Simulator. Okay, let's get a perfect angle for the screenshot. Okay, I think that would be good enough for YouTube. Huh? Why did I get more pollen? Why don't I make honey anyway from mining flour? I don't know. If I want my real account, I will make honey for just getting flowers. It doesn't sound that right? I am sorry. Look at my sensitivity when I'm using a plate. Look at what my sensitivity has to be when I'm using a plate as a mouse pad. Wait. And then it actually starts moving. I'm just kidding. We can get it at 1. But if it... Okay. You have no gumdrops. How do I get gumdrops? I'm just kidding. I have millions of gumdrops on my real account. Why? I hate having to wait for your bees just on your hive. You know what? I wish I could had my real account and I could just instant convert. But my real account, I'm saving for a condo bee because I'm blue on my real account. So, I used to be red. Up until I found out why I don't want to be blue. Red, I mean. So, yeah, that's why I'm not red. Red anymore, but I'm blue now. It's not normal to say I'm blue, though. Literally not normal to me. And when you change a team in this game, you legit keep saying your old team name. Like, I was that. I am that. Like, I used to be red, and now I say I'm still red, but really I'm blue. And it's just weird to say because I used to be on red, so why would I be doing blue? I don't know. Oh, fun fact, if you actually guys didn't know, colorless bees actually work the best for white pollen. Mostly pros know that, like me. I never learned it. I actually had an almost hive of white bees when I was a beginner. No, I almost had a hive of colorless bees when I was a beginner. I remember my 2 first legendary bee. I got a lion bee from a royal jelly, and I got a baby bee from a silver egg. So let's hope we get a basic bee. Not basic bee. Or a gifted. We could probably... that is true. You can get gifted from silver eggs. So let me tell you a story. I had my Bearby on my main account, right? And crap. What? Well, we're gonna end the video. Why would we end the video? We gotta do this quest. So what happened was I opened the silver egg. Instead, I got a silver egg from the king beetle, right? And when I killed the king beetle, when I got that silver egg, I was gonna open my Bearby egg, but I'm like thinking, why don't I prank them and say that I got that from the silver egg? Plus, it's not even gonna be good. I got a duplicate gifted. I got a gifted Colby. I'm like, oh, how did I do that? How did I do that? I wonder when Onette's adding a new bear quest. And I'm gonna do that on my real account, and I'm gonna finish it actually. Because I want to finish it. So yeah, that's why. Everybody subscribe too. Don't forget to do that. Okay, this is kind of good. This tool is actually good. But I can't handle a ladybug and rhino beetle on this account, no. That's a bad thing. Dude, I'm gonna make pollen so quickly. Okay, actually die insects. Die you insects. Die insects. No, these insects is gonna kill me. Kill me before I kill them. Don't kill me, I mean. Why did my bee not even save me though? That's my question. And I saved them. This quest is actually gonna be easy. I thought it was gonna be hard. Oh, I got a. Ooh. Let's see. One rad bee to my one strawberry. Level 3 rad bee. Did not expect that. See, I'm pro at the. Well, I'm good at the game. I'm good for a beginner at least. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm good for a beginner. So, why did I not sell anything? I literally walked to my eye. Oh, and look at my merch. I have my merch on right now. That looks sick, right? You might think these are short, but they're not shorts. That's it. My old designer, I don't think he's gonna design with me anymore. I'm pretty sure my editor's gonna design now. He messed up a little bit on this. He made the Supreme logo black, like where it should say Supreme but it says Thunder Crew is black. He messed up on that, and he messed up on the shorts. But I still like them together. They are cool. So I would recommend buying them. We will have a sale. When we get 40 subscribers, we're gonna have a sale. Everything's gonna be 5 Robux. I don't know how much % off that is. I'm pretty sure that's gonna be 15% off. Actually, no, all my shirts are 15. So how much would that be? I don't know. Okay, every shirt's gonna be 5 Robux. And everybody can get it. And that's something. And I am just very mad I'm losing subscribers. I was at 38, right? I lost 2. I'm like, okay, I lost 2 subscribers. There's no problem with that. Then I came down to 30, near the 20. That just made me even more scared. I'm like, is this prank? Is YouTube doing this? Because I think this might be a glitch with YouTube. Because a subscriber went down while I was on my social blade, and it never showed up anything. It never showed up the down thing. I think this might just be a glitch with YouTube. I don't know. So if you all can support me right now, go and smash that subscribe button. And I'm being honest. Share this with your friends. And if we get 4 likes, we'll do a mining sim. If we do get 3 likes, if we get 2 likes, we'll do another, what is it called? Bee Swarm video for you. And it seems like you guys really like the Bee Swarm videos. So like, sick, bruh. Did you know you can get closer, and if you're closer, it's the faster your bees will get your honey, if you didn't know that. So I'm gonna stand right by my bees. They don't even gotta move. Look, literally, they're not even gonna need to move. My rad bee doesn't, though. That's a fact. How easy is this quest? Like, literally. Dude, you know what I think? I think I could literally get millions of hundreds of millions with just this. Because if you don't know that there's one of these same scissors, well, not same, but literally they do the same thing. Well, actually, they might go farther. I don't know. They take one from each thing, like literally one piece, and it's literally like those scissors. Sorry, I have a mosquito bite. I'm trying not to yell because my mic is trash and it doesn't know when I'm yelling or if I'm not yelling. So it just yells sometimes if I'm like literally almost about to yell. So yeah, like the last video, that's because my mic is all the way up. Ah, this mosquito bite. Ah! My arm. Look, you think someone would dig here? Oh, no, I definitely wasn't looking at my sub count. 32 subscribers. Can we hit 40? That is an I don't know. Oh, and if we get 10 likes, I guess we'll play Lumber Tycoon 2. Groin. So you think someone with dang it. Oh, I forgot I have my YouTube right there. I definitely don't have the summertime and the Cosmos Sloth and the cat attack. It's like, wait, do I? I thought I sold those. Well, I'm pretty sure I did. Do I have them? Do I still have them? Yeah, I still have them. How much is a Cosmos Sloth now? Oh, I expect the sloth to go up instead of down. But I was wrong. I was gonna use this for my avatar, but then I'm not. No, this is key. If you want me to release this, I made this from paint.net. If you want me to release it, it's supposed to be a rainbow shirt. If you want me to release this on the Thunder Crew group, just say it in the comments. If we get if we get 3 likes on this video, I will release this shirt for you guys. Actually, it is on the store right now. So everybody, go to this group, the Thunder Crew. Oh, rip. We can't have bad words in our group. Oof! Missy, that's a little rude. I gotta delete that. I'm sorry if you're watching this. Oh yeah, that mine's 100% for the payouts. So all you gotta do, if you want that color shirt, you gotta come here. There will be see more for sale by this group. And here you have it, the color and donation and what? No one buy that second Wow, I have 2 donation shirts. I forgot. This is the donation shirt that would always stay at 1,000. Let's get back to the game. Ow! Didn't slam my hand in the desk. Wait, did I? I don't know. Did I slam my hand into the desk? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I did. But it didn't really hurt. I could make it hurt. Okay. Worst of luck. Why? I just need something else. Can I get a baby bee or I need a ninja bee. Oh, it's gonna be such a stress. Look, these are about to, look, Flex. That is gonna be so OP though. Literally when I get my bear bee, if I am able to get it, legit. It's gonna be OP. I'm just watching that guy. He's just coming up around in my face. Okay. Oh, oops. That's the wrong field. Don't worry. I definitely will have enough space. I want to sell them. The top one. Oh wait, I forgot. I can say 1. Because it's a 13 plus account. Even though I'm just 10 or something. So let's go. Let's get it. Why? Why? This guy is probably the weirdest guy I've seen. This kid, actually. This baby? I don't know. He might be a 4-year-old. I don't know. And he shouldn't tell me his age, because then he could get kidnapped by someone else that lives in the chat and a catfish. Like, don't call me stupid for this. Once I almost got myself catfished by accident. But I didn't, because that guy thought I was that stupid. Give out my address to someone. Especially wanted me to go to his house. That is even more suspicious. Because who wants you to go to their house? If it was your house, it's good enough. If it's your house, you're safe enough. If it's their house, no. And I know he's my Roblox hacker too. Because he is the most suspicious kid. He never turns on his mic to me. And then I have his friends, Nightmare and Cookie. They say that he uses his mic, but he never uses it on me, like with me. Well, they don't say that, but I know he uses it because I can. Oh. Guys, I'm about to open this egg then in the video. Hey Stevie, let's go. I'll see you all later. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and become a part of the Thunder Crew today. And I love you all, and I'll see you